are you going?
Manila Zoo.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Wow. Eran! Ako kita ito para maayos ka naman yung tsura. We're going to where?
Manila Zoo!
Ito naman ni Madam.
So
Eran, where are you going?
Manila Zoo.
Wow, Manila Zoo.
We need to see real animals.
Yes. Ito pa elephant, no?
Wow! Alam mo ba?
Hi guys, we're getting ticket now. Ito sa pagkitabi. Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're getting tickets now.
Where are we?
Manila Zoo.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Let's wait for Tata to get the ticket and then we're finally gonna get inside.
Yeah, Tita Arvin, is that giraffe a statue?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, where's the ticket? Go inside. Wow. Okay. Walang tao na. What kind of animal is that?
a word.
What?
A word called capybara. 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 I got a toy.
Kasi tayong kuya pa.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Capybara.
And then there's tortoise right there.
I see another animal.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay, we need to.
What can we see here?
Can only see tayo. Gusto niyo makita?
Ito talaga.
Can I go down?
Hindi dyan.
At may sparrow din!
Yes.
There's so many birds!
Halika na. She's so pretty.
Eagle is flying.
Oh! My God!
Oh my God.
You happy?
Hello, Aaron. It's so scary.
Aaron! It's so scary.
Oh!
Lapit pa ikaw lang.
China.
Again. Go.
White Bengal tigers were mostly found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and China. Wait, it's moving!
Yeah.
Natakot siya.
Nasa wali!
Ay,
May daga! May daga!
Saan?
Yun!
Baka food niya yan.
Yun, nasa
Oh, picture! Ala! Sleeping siya! Ayun o!
The normal tiger.
Yeah.
Real tiger.
Katakot naman siya. Parang snake. Mo?
Ostriches! Ostrich! Ostrich!
Yeah!
Ang laki naman niya.
Yan yung food natin later. Sana roasted it.
Why? They're crying.
Look outside, it's a female.
Hey animals, do your job. You're getting paid.
Where's the lion?
Wala. Wala naman dyan.
Ay, wala.
You cannot feed the animals, but you can feed me. Get some, ano. Oh, wag kalapit masyado.
Tatatin mo! May...
Wow! Saucy naman ng mga animals.
Tatatin mo yung
They
sparrow!
eat banana and papaya.
Tata, look, the sparrow! Peter Bean!
Anak, look! Look, the crocodile swimming, oh. There, oh, wow. It's moving, Arrow.
I told you. It's real.
I thought it's just a, ano.
Alam ko,
Looking turtle!
OA mo naman. Yan yung nagawin niya kanina pa. Kita mo, Aaron?
Beautiful.
Oh,
Meron niya, nakita niya na. May mga picture pa siya. Oo, dami niya picture.
nakita ko! Ostrich na malaki! Okay, panda. Where's panda?
Wala, food panda, di ba? Yung food.
Ala! Mama! Ino mo may anong gold? Ako nakakatawa. Ino!
You wanna ride the boat? And then there's a...
Saan?
Sa mountain.
Secret ko yan. Hindi naman ah.
Oh, careful, say excuse me.
Ayun!
Oo, say excuse me. And...
Nakita niya ako.
Wait lang.
Bawal mo hawakan!
Halika. Kain ka na. Ano mas alam na pala may rectal.
Kaya nga yun. What can you say about the snake? So big?
Picture mo na yun. Picture lang kita.
Ayok.
The snake.
Meron na naman yun.
Bakit nila yun?
Cute siya doon.
Ay, bakit?
Oh, pag-jump.
Ayaw na nga. Oh, Papa! Meron hear mo siya, oh. Narinig mo yun, ha? Hindi, dito ka. Halika, don't be scared. Ganun mo lang yun.
Please! I wanna go.
Come here.